नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू। खुश रहो बेटियाओं। आज JVN अमित कुमार शर्मा, सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, सेशंस चार्ज ऑफ द लाइट ब्रिगेड, द पोएम रिटन बाय टेनिसन। दिस सेशन इज digital version by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we are going to discussions Charge of the Light Brigade written by Tennyson. At first, introduction. The Charge of the Light Brigade is an 1854 narrative poem by Alfred Lord Tennyson about the charge of the Light Brigade. At the Battle of Balaclava during the Crimean War, he wrote it on 2nd December 1854 and it was published on 9 December 1854. In The Examiner, he was the poet laureate of the United Kingdom at the time. This poem tells the story of a brigade consisting of 600 soldiers who rode on horseback into the Valley of Death for half a league, about 1.5 miles. They were obeying a command to charge the enemy forces that had been seeing their guns. Alfred Lord Tennyson wrote The Charge of the Light Brigade shortly after reading a newspaper article about the futile charge of the troops at the 1854 Battle of the Balaclava during the Crimean War 1853 to 1856. British and French troops had been sent to the Crimean Peninsula to punish the Russian government to various aggressive and many policies. A newsman for the London Times was on the scenes and hinted in his report that the debacle resulted from the blunders made by British commanders in the Crimean War. In the Tennyson's mind, the questionable behavior of the British generals did not diminish the bravery of the troops who had acted violently in the carrying out orders, moved by their acts of valor and perhaps angered by the mismanagement of senior officers. The poet Laureate immediately wrote an ode to commemorate the occasion. ये मैंने पोएम का आपको शुरू का पार्ट बताया है कि पोएम में क्या है, किस तरीके से वॉर होता है. द पोएम टेल्स स्टोरी अबाउट द ब्रिगेड consisting 600 soldiers who rode on horseback into the valley of death for half league, about 1.5 miles. They were obeying a command charged to enemy forces that had been seeing their गन्स. ये मैंने स्टार्टिंग बताया आपको, इसका इंट्रोडक्शन कराया है अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन का और इस पोएम का कि किस तरीके से वॉर होता है और उसमें 600 जो लोग हैं, सोल्जर्स हैं, वो किस तरीके से मर जाते हैं. इसके बारे में इस पोएम में बताया गया है. आगे वाली में आपको थोड़ा सा इसका और एक्सप्लेनेशन बताऊंगा कि आगे क्या दिया गया है 6 स्टैंजा में, 4th स्टैंजा में. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.